Life is full of challenges. Times when the path ahead seems unclear, and every step feels heavier than the last. But what if there was a way to keep moving forward, no matter what? Cut to speaker standing in a relaxed, comfortable environment. Speaker, smiling. Hey, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into how to stay motivated during those tough, trying times. It's not easy, I know. But with the right mindset, you can push through and keep moving toward your goals. 1. Recognizing and accepting the challenge. Camera zooms in on the speaker, who looks thoughtful. Speaker, serious tone. The first step is acknowledging the challenge. It's easy to fall into denial or pretend everything's okay, but that doesn't help in the long run. When you accept that you're facing difficulties, you give yourself permission to deal with them, without judgment. Cut to images of people facing different challenges. Working late, dealing with stress, overcoming obstacles. Speaker, voiceover. Recognize what you're up against. Whether it's a personal, professional, or mental struggle, accepting it is the first step toward overcoming it. 2. Break down the big picture. Scene transitions to the speaker sitting at a desk with a notebook, writing down tasks. Speaker. Next, break the big picture into small, manageable steps. When things feel overwhelming, it's easy to get lost in the sheer scale of the problem. But if you break it down into smaller tasks, you make it more approachable and less intimidating. Cut to visuals of people organizing tasks, writing down lists, or working on one task at a time. Speaker, voiceover. Take one thing at a time. Small wins add up to big progress. Celebrate each step, no matter how small. 3. Find your why. Cut to a more intimate setting. Speaker speaking directly to the camera. Speaker. Now, let's talk about motivation. It's easy to lose sight of why you started in the first place. So, remind yourself. Why did you set that goal? Why is it important to you? Cut to a series of quick shots showing people reflecting, visualizing their dreams, and looking at motivational quotes. Speaker, voiceover. Your why is your anchor. Whether it's personal growth, family, passion, or even helping others, it will help pull you through tough times. 4. Take care of yourself. Scene switches to someone taking a walk outside, eating healthy food, and practicing self-care. Speaker. Remember, taking care of your mind and body is crucial. You can't keep pushing forward if you're burned out. Make time for self-care, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Speaker, voiceover. Physical exercise, healthy food, and rest can make a huge difference in how you feel. You'll have more energy and a clearer mind to tackle whatever comes your way. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Cut to images of people supporting each other. Friends laughing, family hugging, people brainstorming together. Speaker. Don't go through it alone. Surround yourself with people who support and inspire you. Positive relationships can keep your spirit high when everything else seems low. Speaker, voiceover. Sometimes, just having someone to talk to can make all the difference. Embrace failure as a lesson. Cut to someone failing but getting back up with determination. Speaker. And lastly, embrace failure as part of the journey. You will stumble, you will fall, but it's all part of learning. Every failure teaches you something valuable, even if it doesn't feel like it at the time. Speaker, voiceover. Each setback is an opportunity to grow stronger and smarter. Conclusion scene. The speaker looks directly at the camera, smiling warmly. Speaker. So, next time you're facing a challenge, remember. Acknowledge the struggle, break it down, reconnect with your why, take care of yourself, lean on others, and learn from your failures. Speaker, softly. You got this. Closing text on screen. Text. Stay motivated. Keep going. You're stronger than you think. Narrator, voiceover. Stay motivated, even through the hard times. Because those hard times? They're just stepping stones to a stronger, more resilient you. Fade out. Feel free to adapt this script to your specific needs.